Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the default keyboard on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the settings by pressing on the bottom left icon, and then we're going to go to languages and input, and here we're going to press on default keyboard, and here we can change the default keyboard from being the Android keyboard to the ONYX keyboard. And what default keyboard means is what keyboard will be displayed first when you pull up the keyboard window. So just select one of these, and these are the keyboards that you have enabled. So two of these I have enabled, and I can select from those two. So for example, let's say I disable one. Here, as you can see, there's only one now available to be default. So just select what keyboard you want to be default, and once you're done, that's it, your options will be saved automatically. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.